Welcome back to a new video by Milsey London. Today we're making a gold mini skirt with a trail, and we're going to use this lovely gold fabric here that's basically in a trail shape. It's like a long strip of gold sequin fabric. First step, we're just going to fold the fabric in half and overlay it to each other like this. And then I have pattern pieces of, this is the front piece, and I have one for the back piece, which is half of a skirt. You can also use like one of your own skirts if you have one already. I'm just gonna cut around the pattern pieces now. Remember that the fabric is folded in half. The front piece is on the fold, and then the back piece is on the open end of the fold. So I'm just gonna cut and follow the line, follow the pattern piece line, and I folded it enough just for the front and the back, and then we're gonna use the rest later on. So now you should have one piece for the front and two pieces for the back, and that's like the front of the skirt, and then you have the two pieces for the back of the skirt. The first step we're going to use when it comes to stitching is sewing the centre back and sewing the right hand side of the skirt. So the centre back and the right hand side of the skirt, and the right hand side is just connecting the front and the back piece together, the front and side piece. I'm just gonna pin where we need to sew, so I'm just pinning the centre back, and then I'm gonna pin the side seam as well. Now all pieces are sewn, the centre back and the right hand side. I've just laid it out so you can see what it will look like the right side out. So that's the front of the skirt, and then a bit of the inside, just so you can see what it looks like right side out. That's what it's going to look like, and it's cute already. I've just entered the trail that's going to be at the left hand side of the skirt, in between the open end that was open. So there's 3 layers right now. There's the back, the trail, and then the front piece. And the trail kind of faces the opposite way. It's like a long side down, and that's gonna be on the outside of the skirt. So I've just sandwiched that in. I'm also gonna add in some back darts. So I've just done this at the back. I've got the centerpiece at the back and the side seam, and then pinpointed the middle of that, and then separated about 2 centimeters from the edge, and then we're just going to sew diagonally down like an upside down triangle on both sides as well, center seam, side seam. Found the center of that, clipped it 2 centimeters away from the edge, and then we're going to do a triangle shape down. All done. This is what the final product looks like. You do have to hold the side just to walk, and it kind of gives a nice rouge anyway. And then I've kind of just laid down to show you what it looks like. But yeah, now she's at finished. Just the mini skirt done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow along. This design is quite cute and it's quite chic. So this is it. I made a top to go with it so it looks like a nice dress. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this resonated with you, and more videos to come. Thanks.